guys, so we are on chapter 8 and I filmed this on Monday, so I've actually started chapter 9 and an update for chapter 9 will be out on Friday, and there will be a guest featuring, which is my boyfriend Eden. So chapter 8 is basically chapter 8. So basically it was their second date and Owen had been avoiding Goldie, and Goldie goes all panicky. And Owen answers the door because Goldie goes over to his bedroom and asks what's going on, why are you avoiding me, etc. And Owen says it's because you're obsessed, and with this murder, and Owen goes off out of the beach house onto the beach and sees Damien sneaking off behind the beach house and acting all shifty. And Owen was going to call his name but realised he was too far away, and Damien gets lost and so does Owen. Owen follows Damien, and Damien stops and turns and realises that he's been followed and runs off quickly, and Owen follows him and says wait, Damien, and then notices something on the ground, which is a knife covered in blood. Now you see, you would think this is the murder weapon, and is it? Keep on reading. So back at the beach house, Goldie meets Sophie, which is the girl that Harry's on a date with. And Owen brings up Goldie and says sorry and blah blah blah, whatever. And they go to they go behind the beach house, and they see a fingerprint on it as Goldie has a glove on and picks it up, and then they notice a fingerprint, and Owen still thinks Damien is the most reliable person to be involved, and Goldie wraps the knife into a bag with gloves on, and they talk to him tomorrow about it, and they ask why Damien has a knife, and that's it.